Replacing the NA2 filters. Step 1. Unplug the device from the power outlet. Step 2. Flip the device on its top. Step 3. Remove bottom cover. Step 4. Remove the rubber tabs securing the exhaust housing to the filter. Step 5. Pull the exhaust housing to create a space between the exhaust ports and the back of the device. Step 6. Turn clockwise 1 click to remove the carbon filter. Do the same thing with the other filter. To replace the filters, first align the base of the filter with the housing of the device. Then extend the exhaust housing so that the exhaust port is flush with the back of the device. Do the same with the other filter. Re-secure the rubber tabs into the exhaust housing. Replace the top cover. Flip the device right side up, plug the device in to an outlet, and you are ready to resume normal operation.